Okay, we got a no heat call here. I believe this house has a heat pump in it. We have not been to this particular house, but we have been to some of these neighbors, and one of them recommended us, so let's go in here and see if we can get it working. Pain. This air handler's running.
For some reason, those things, when they're under construction, they always feel colder inside than the outside temperature.
Can't read that sticker.
Got what?
All right. I think I can recognize what's going on here. I don't know if the camera can hear it. There's going to be an ECM in there that doesn't want to start. And there it goes. Light right there. Tell you, they got gas on this house. Maybe yank this stuff out of here and put them a gas furnace right here. But it's making some noise, and then it started. Looks to me like home warranty company replaced this thing. Around here they are notorious for the pain products, and looks like that's from 07. And here's the original door. Found it laying there. Let's take a look inside. See if we see the ECM. It has just sprung itself up on us. I would say you're looking at one here. All right. Oh my gosh. Let me
What do you
stand
think
on.
this whole thing needs to be replaced?
Let me stand on that ladder there. The helicopter in the way. Stand right there where it says "Do not stand here."
I will tell everybody.
I sure smell it. There's the oil. It's way too curious for my own good. It's strange for it to be in the fin pack. These things are just mashed against each other right there. Oh, I feel it. There it is. Yep, right on the bottom of that connection there. It's not a U-bend. It's the one that goes over into the header here, whatever you want to call that. Bad news. All right, so we got refrigerant going all over the house in there, and the helicopter trying to discuss it. And we got the helicopter trying to discuss it every step of the way. And not really helping anything. So what I'm going to try to do as quickly as I can is stop any more of it than we have to from being allowed into the living space there. It doesn't want to come out. But anyway, I saw that. So what I'm suspecting is the ECM not starting consistently just heated that thing up and heated it up and heated it up and overheated it to the max. And eventually popped a weak spot in that coil. Alright, so what the homeowner has decided to do there, we went over all the options. Of course, we can still order a coil for that air handler. That's not an attractive option for him. And we can replace just the air handler or the entire heat pump system, or we can change it out to gas, and that's what he wants to do. Turns out he's a customer of ours from about 10 years ago at his house, and that's his daughter's house. So we had never been to the house, but they were kind of a customer. So anyway, we're going to change that out and put a gas furnace up there. Probably have to do a little bit of rearranging of the ducting and platform situation. I'm not sure exactly how all that's going to fit, but we'll make it happen. So I guess there will be a part 2 of this video as well, and we'll show the change out when it's done. But criticism, opinions, comments, jokes, we like them all. So let's go to the next one. Thanks for watching.